This video will go through another example of solving a stoichiometry problem. So in this example, we've got our reaction, and we're asked how many grams of HCl are needed to create 35 grams of water. What I'd like you to do is pause the video here, try this question, and then come back for the full solution. All right, welcome back. Hopefully you've tried this problem. So your first step in stoichiometry is always to ensure you have a balanced chemical equation. The one we're given here is not balanced. So in balancing it, you should have 6 moles of HCl, 2 moles of FeCl3, and 3 moles of water. That takes care of our first step. Our second step is we want to take our known value, so 35 grams of water, and convert that to moles if required, which in this case is. So the moles of water is going to be our mass divided by our molar mass of water. We're given 35 grams, and we're going to divide that by 18.02 grams per mole, which gives us 1.9422 so on moles of water. Okay, don't want to round off here yet because we are not done our calculation. Step 3 then says set up a mole ratio to find the moles of our unknown value. So we are looking for the mass of HCl, so first we need to find the number of moles of HCl. We know from our balanced equation that 3 moles of water is produced for every 6 moles of HCl that reacts. We also just calculated that we've got 1.9422 so on moles of water, and we want to find the number of moles of HCl. So solving this, we would do cross multiply, so you'd have 3x is 6 times 1.9422, or you would get 3.8845 moles of HCl. Okay, and that is our third step. Our final step is that we want to find the mass of the HCl produced. So right now we have moles, meaning we need to convert to mass. Oops, sorry, so let's do this here. So mass is our moles times our molar mass, and we're trying to find the mass of HCl. So we're going to take our 3.8845 moles of HCl and multiply it by the molar mass of HCl, which is 36.46 grams per mole. And that gives us 141.63 so on grams. Okay. Now our question started with 2 significant digits, just the 35, which means we need to express our answer to 2 significant digits here. So you could round off and just say 140 grams, because that would be expressing it to 2 sig digs. But it'd be much better to put it in scientific notation, because that really tells me that you understand there's 2 sig digs. So in scientific notation, it would be 1.4 times 10 to the 2 grams, and that is how much HCl is needed.